They was all funny at first, not so funny now, huh?
You got some spittage going on.
Tell Mama the hiccups not going away.
There's a growing girl when they got the hiccups, they say.
See, I must be growing a lot. That hiccups.
Joe must be.
That does get irritating because I'll get hiccups sometimes and I can't get rid of them.
Mm-hmm.
But I heard on a radio station one time when somebody's got hiccups, you say what swims in the ocean, make them say fish, and they go away, and they do. Because I tell Frankie, I'm like, ask me.
Fish.
Ask me. He'll say, why? I said, ask me. He'll say, what swims in the ocean? You can't do it to yourself. You gotta have somebody ask and say fish. And he goes, why?
Well.
Say fish.
Yeah, at least you
Your
can
little
talk.
toe was stuck out. Our toenails need a mani pedicure.
Then Mama gave you a manicure yesterday. Now you get pedicure today.
She's still awake.
She got hiccups. She just ate.
She'll just bounce.
Little peanut.
Go away, hiccups.
I was wondering what you were gonna nickname her, Papa.
Peanut, that's exactly
Yeah, that's
what
a
Charles
little peanut,
named
too.
Michelle. Peanut.
Little peanut.
When she was born.
Yeah, Brian's peanut. She's a little peanut.
You know, remember Brian, he was real small.
Oh, I'm so sorry you got hiccups, baby.
He wasn't too small. He was 8 pounds.
Well, she'll
Yeah, I was a
small
little
rest,
baby.
don't huh?
I weighed what, Mama?
7.
I was a 5-pound baby.
She'd get mad because of hiccups.
What's the matter?
Oh, she's so active.
Making you mad.
Say, Mama, make them go away.
I think she's ticked. What she do when I do her feet. Oh.
Where's her birthmark, Brittany?
I haven't seen one.
Because Brian's got the big freckle on his leg for a
I
birthmark.
have not seen him birth.
Oh my goodness.
I can't make the hiccups go away.
Yeah.
I can try to scare you, but that won't work. You'll just cry.
Them lungs strong, though.
When she was in the hospital, her cry, you could barely hear it. It was so faint. It's built up.
Yeah. That's it.
Poor Hayden.
I know it.
So look, you can try to look at everybody. It'll be perfectly fine.
Pull her leg up, Mama. It's all hung on your boob. There you go.